everybody, it's Hexa, and in today's video I am going to be organizing all of my clothes. These are all of my clothes. Pretty much every item of clothing, socks, underwear, accessories, etc., everything except shoes is over here. As you can see, it's a lot. I guess this is how hoarding issues start, with a large but manageable problem until it eventually spirals out of control. But anyways, a lot of the pieces in here don't really fit me anymore, but the overall aim of today is not to declutter, it is just to organize. If you guys want to do this along with me, if this video inspires you to declutter or organize your clothing, you can do it whichever way you want. You could organize it by category, by brand, by material, whatever it is that works for you. I personally am going to be sorting my things by colors. So, you know, socks and underwear and that kind of thing is going to stay all together, but everything else I'm going to organize by color. So red with red, black with black. If I have anything that is multicolored or with prints, I will sort them by the dominant color, and if there is no dominant color, then they will go into one big category for things with multicolored stripes and patterns. I will be doing a little bit of decluttering today, but you know, I am one of these people who I very easily attach emotions and memories to pieces of clothing that I own, so if it's anything that's going to take me too long to make a decision on, I'm just going to pack it. But you know, things that I know for a fact do not fit me or that I don't have any kind of sentimental attachment to, no reason to keep, those things are just going to be put aside to try to sell them online or to just discard them if they can't be sold for whatever reason. And also anything that is costume, like costume specific items, will be put in a category of their own. I'm probably going to spend the rest of this day folding clothes, and it's not going to be very enjoyable, but I think it's worthwhile and I really need to do this. It'll just make things easier to find when I actually need them, because I do know what I own, and sometimes, occasionally, I might want to wear a specific item of clothing. So I think just having everything in categories by colors is going to make it easier to find what I need when I need it. Also, denim is going to be put separately from other blue things because I have enough denim to have one category only for denim. Blue denim specifically. Alright, let's get started. Anything in here that I am going to put in my current closet is also going to be put aside in a separate pile. So I need to look through this and figure out, like, because it's getting cold now, so I need to figure out what I want to wear at this point in time in the winter. Like this one, which are white with black polka dots, this would go either in gray or in white, because I would say white is the dominant color, but since it's kind of like almost equal between the black and the white, so it might go in gray. But yeah, that's kind of the decision-making process. I think I'm gonna put it in white. Hooked on the camera. Are you okay? You're okay. Again, a good example of a multicolored piece would be this shirt, which has purple, blues, and greens, but for me, when I look at it, I see purple as the dominant color, so this would go in with purple. I'm conflicted about this because this is a jingly Christmas sweater, but I wouldn't necessarily call it a costume piece because I usually will wear it throughout the whole season of winter, so I don't know. that is truly actually difficult to sort into any one color. This was knitted by my grandma actually, and yeah, it has gray, it has beige brown, it has pink, it has teal, it has white. So this one I can't really decide which color to put into, so this will probably go in the multicolored pile. That I'm keeping expressly for the purpose of wearing in a photo shoot that I want to do in the winter when it snows. I want to wear this only in the snow. But it might be a few months before it actually starts snowing, so I think I'll just put it away with the blue things and it'll be easy to find when I need it. This is a fabulous denim jacket that I love completely, but I don't really wear it very often because it's too small for me, but I really do love it. It has like this panel with a heart print on the back, so it's super cute, but small. But it's so cute. I'm conflicted. I shouldn't keep it because it won't fit me ever. I'm not about to start shrinking anytime soon, but it's so pretty though. It has hearts. I can't say no to hearts. Heart prints are my weakness. Look, I even have a tie with hearts on it. Okay, putting this in with the denim. So I've gotten through a big portion of the things, so I'm just going to show you guys what the piles are looking like now, as well as what I have decided to keep as part of my permanent wardrobe for this upcoming season. So over there in the corner are the things that I don't need anymore and will try to get rid of, sell, or donate or something. This is our black pile, our red pile, the greens, the whites, the blues, and the denim. Over here we have beige and brown. Over there we have gray. These are the purples, the multicolored, and the pink. There are some color families and color categories that we don't really have a lot of. So for example, I might put the purples together with the pinks since they're in a similar color category. But yeah, that's kind of what our piles are looking like right now. This is everything I've decided to keep for my permanent wardrobe, but it does look like quite a lot, so I might have to sort through this and do a second round of selection. We do still have a lot of stuff down here, but this is mostly accessories. So accessories will not be sorted into color categories. They're just kind of going to go all together. Same with underwear. Underwear is just gonna all stay in the same place, and so are socks. But I will dig through this off camera and just see which socks, underwear, and accessories I actually am going to use often enough that I want them to be out with the rest of my permanent wardrobe. So everything has been sorted into bags that needed to be. They're all over here. This is my mom's room, by the way. So these, we have some special storage spaces underneath our beds. So all of these bags are gonna be moved under my bed. And then down here are all of the socks, underwear, and accessories that I am keeping, this pile over here. And right now I'm just gonna be moving the remainder of my clothes that are going in my permanent wardrobe into my room so I can fold them and put them all away. This looks like a lot of clothes for one season. That's not good. Keep doing the rest of my folding and putting away of clothes off camera because this is going to take up way too much of my battery and space in my SD card. Alright, the closet has been organized. On the top we have socks, bras, and underwear. Over here we have all the sweaters and hoodies. Down here we have shirts and sweatshirts. That little cubby is just full of warm winter stuff like scarves and hats and warm fuzzy house slippers, jeans and trousers. And then on the bottom we have pajamas and a couple of boxes with some random stuff. And this is my other wardrobe where we have everything that needs to be hung, all the hangable things in here. And then on the top, in that little space up there, are just some additional sweaters and sweatshirts. This has been a very long and annoying process, but the really good thing about having done this is that I have yet again been reminded that I have way too many belongings and I need to get rid of a lot of them. Even like the amount of stuff that I kept to have as my permanent wardrobe for this season, even just this amount of stuff feels like it's too much. I mean, I kept at least 10 different sweaters and sweatshirts. Like, that's not normal. I don't need that much stuff. Some days I just wish I could become a minimalist. Like, I get these crazes where I think I'm gonna throw away everything I own and become a minimalist, and then I remember how much I love everything I own, and then I can't. I don't have the heart to do it. But something needs to be done, because there's too much. It's overwhelming. It's driving me a little nuts. Like, I can't, there's no point having this much stuff. I'm trying to talk without showing my teeth because I ate a bunch of pumpkin seeds and now I'm pretty sure I have black stuff in between all of my teeth. But anyways, that was it for today's kind of reorganizing of the wardrobe. All of the clothes that I sorted through are in bags and will be put under my bed. to be taken out in the next season or whenever I need them for photo shoots or special occasions or whatever the heck I need them for. Oop! Someone's home! My mom and sister came home just as I was doing my outro, so I took a few minutes to put all the things back under the bed, which you guys just saw. I have a piece of lemon flavored chewy candy in my mouth as I'm speaking. But anyways, that was it for today. I'm pretty happy with the progress. There's a good handful of clothes that I set aside to sell, give away, or donate or whatever, so that's a good thing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more, and you can donate to my Patreon down below to support me and my channel. I hope this video inspired you guys to do a little bit of a declutter / organizing in your wardrobe as well, and hopefully throw away some stuff so you don't end up like me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.